Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at how to use your smart devices like your smart bulbs, smart plugs when your network is down, when you don't have any internet. Now this is something that a lot of people keep asking me, that do these devices need internet to work. So a lot of them know that it's a Wi-Fi bulb, Wi-Fi plug, they need Wi-Fi to work, but does the Wi-Fi need internet? Yes, most of them do. Almost 90% of them use internet. Without internet they won't even detect it, even if you're in the same network. So we'll be talking about that in detail later on. So let's see how to actually make them work. Let me show you my scenario right now. So my entire studio is automated. Even my AC plug is automated. So you see it's not able to get any internet. My entire setup is down here. So there are lots of plugs over there. I don't think you'll be able to see. So all of them need internet to work. Without that I cannot switch it on. I switch everything on with Alexa over here. Now if I call her name,
having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
okay, so that's the scenario I have right now. So that's my internet, 5G, 4G, whatever, everything is down, no internet on it. So now I cannot switch on my smart bulbs, I cannot switch on my studio lights, I cannot switch on my computers, the TV, everything. So everything works on the internet. Now how can I make it work? That's what we are going to see in this video. So let me just show you my network. Okay, so that was my network. Let's see how to fix this. Let me put this over here. Okay, so let me just show you the app also. So this is my Wipro app. You see I can refresh it how much ever, it will not connect. None of my devices are online. So I'll go into Wi-Fi, I'll connect to Michael's. So that is my internet, that's my Wi-Fi connection. Now I'll go here, I'll try refreshing it, it'll still not work. I'll go into one of the devices, it'll say the device is offline. So that's the problem. Now how to fix it? All you have to do is go into your hotspot setting and name your Wi-Fi network to whatever network you have over here. So over here you'll have to create a hotspot with the same name. So I created a hotspot with the same name, the Michaels, and put in the same password that your home network has. That's all that you have to do is put in the same name, the SSID and the password for your home network, and then save it and then switch on the hotspot. Now for this to work, I'll have to make sure that all my devices get connected to the phone now instead of the home network. Okay, so I'm just keeping the device list open so you know how many devices are connecting. Now let's go and switch off the home Wi-Fi network. Okay, so the network has been switched off. Now okay, as soon as the network was switched off, it automatically got connected to this phone. Now let's see if my network is working. Now you see all my devices are back online. So my studio lights, my TV, my small bulb, the tube lights, everything is on. Now I can switch all of them on from here. Okay, now I have light. Let me switch on my studio light. So that's a different software altogether. I have a Okta for that. Where's Okta? Okta. Okay, so all the devices have started working. Okta, studio light on. There you go. So that's how this is a workaround. You can use this workaround in case you have a smart home and you're not able to use your devices because of the network being down. This is a temporary workaround. You can do this in different scenarios. There are a lot of uses for this. You can bypass your home network. Now you can go and put on your home network back again. The devices which are already connected here will not disconnect till the time you switch it off. So as soon as the home network starts working, you just have to switch off your tethering from here, the portable hotspot from here, and it will go back to normal. So that's a workaround. You can use a Geo device or any of these kind of devices also. So I used to use this before I had proper high-speed connection at home. I used to use Geo devices for my entire home networking system. So all you need is one of these, just name this also the same thing as your home network, your high-speed network, and then use this whenever your high-speed network is down. So that's also a workaround. So it depends on you. You have both the solution. If you have any further queries, go ahead, comment, and I'll reply back to that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.